boys and girls. I am Ms. Moran and welcome back to your math lesson. Today, we're going to be reviewing 3D shapes, okay? Do you remember the 3D shapes? Let's go over this shape right here that I'm pointing at right now. Do you remember what this shape is called, this 3D shape? This is the sphere, right? And this is what a sphere looks like. It kind of looks like a ball, right? And remember, with the 3D shapes, we talk about the faces. Faces are parts of the shape that are flat, and vertices are the corners, okay? So this sphere has no faces because it doesn't lay flat. It can keep rolling. So the sphere has no faces and no vertices or no corners, all right? These are some objects in real life that look like a sphere. A baseball, a basketball, a soccer ball, and a beach ball all are shaped like a sphere. This is the next shape we're going to be going over. Do you remember the name of this shape? This shape is called a cube. All right, so here's a cube. All right, a cube does have faces. It has 6 faces that are shaped like a square. See how it looks like a square? And I'll count the faces. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. The cube also has vertices. The vertices are the corners. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 vertices. All right. Things in real life that are shaped like a cube are an ice cube, a box, dice, and this letter blocks. All right. So we're going to move on to our next shape. What is the name of that shape? Do you remember? That one is a cone, and it looks like this. And it's called like the cone, kind of looks like an ice cream cone, right? And the cone only has one face. It lays flat on this side, and the face is shaped like kind of like a circle. You see the circle? So that's its face. That's the where it lays flat. Okay? And it has 0 vertices. Okay? So these are things that look like a cone. A construction cone, an ice cream cone, a snow cone, and this one's kind of like it's backwards, but it's a birthday hat. All right. Our next shape or 3D shape is this one right here, which is the cylinder. This is what a cylinder looks like, okay? Cylinder has 2 faces, 2 flat areas. See, the bottom and then the top. And those 2 faces are shaped kind of like a circle. You see that circle right there? So there's one on the top and one on the bottom. All right. And the cylinder has no vertices either. And some things that are shaped like a cylinder are a soda can, a vegetable can, and this is like the toilet paper roll. You know, after you finish the toilet paper, it's a toilet paper roll, and here's another can. So those are things that are shaped as a cylinder. So those are the 3D shapes. So we're going to go over the names again. This is a sphere. This one's a cube. And this one is a cone. And then this is the cylinder. Okay, good job. So now I'm going to show you a video on 3D shapes, and then after that we'll talk about the homework. So let me show you that video. Okay, boys and girls, so this is a 3D shape song that I wanted to show you the video. So it's pay attention to the different names of the 3D shapes. Nice. Cone. Cone. Party hat. Party hat. Shapes. Baby shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Shapes. Baby shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Sphere, 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 sphere. Can't you see? Can't you see? You look like a ball. You look like a ball. Bounce with me. Bounce with me. Cylinder, 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 cylinder. Can't you see? Can't you see? You look like a soda can. You look like a soda can. Shake with me. Shake with me. Sphere. Sphere. Ball. Ball. Cylinder. Cylinder. Soda can. Soda can. Shapes. Baby shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Shapes. Baby shapes. I know cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Cube, cone, sphere, and cylinder. Okay, so that was the video I wanted to show you about 3D shapes. Let's talk about your homework now. Okay, boys and girls, so this is going to be your homework. Up here is going to ask you to look for a real life object that looks like this shape. So up here it says, can you find the cube? So you're looking at these two real life objects and deciding which one is shaped like a cube. Once you make that decision, you can move this circle and either put it here or here, whichever one you think is shaped like a cube. All right. And then over here, it says, can you find the cylinder? So this is the cylinder, and you're going to decide which of these two looks like a cylinder. You're going to move that circle to that picture, okay? Or that real life object. And then on the third page, you're going to find, it says here, can you find the sphere? So here's the sphere, what it looks like. And then you're going to decide between these four things, which one looks like a sphere. And you're going to move that circle and put it over the object that you think looks like a sphere. And then on the last page, you're going to find, or it says up here, can you find the cone? So here's the cone. And so you're going to decide which one of these real life objects looks like a cone. You're going to move the circle to the object that you feel is shaped like a cone, okay? So you have the pictures up here and the circle up here too to help you know what shape or what 3D shape you're looking for, all right? So that's your homework. I hope you like this activity, and I will see you tomorrow. And we'll see you tomorrow. We will continue talking about 3D shapes tomorrow. Bye-bye.